How to make money with affiliate marketing. This is something the gurus definitely won't tell you. What's going on, guys? My name is Rafael. Welcome to my channel. This is the channel where I talk about how to make money online, okay? How specifically with affiliate marketing, okay? So I teach you the strategies, the techniques, and what you need to know to succeed online today, okay? And you came to this video because you want to learn the real way to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? And you're probably coming from the videos that are saying make money, make $100 a day in 2 minutes, copy and paste method, okay? These pretty much really easy ways to make money online. And I'm going to start this video off by saying affiliate marketing is not easy, okay, guys? Do not listen to these gurus that are telling you that affiliate marketing will take one day, it will take 5 minutes, okay? You can make $200 a day by just doing one thing, okay? I would avoid those people, okay, because they're very misleading. And in this video, I'm going to just share with you my story and my journey with affiliate marketing. That's 3 years in the making, okay? And so hopefully you get some perspective and you realize what it actually takes to succeed in affiliate marketing, okay? So back in 2016, I was in school, I was in college. I didn't have a lot of money, and I didn't have a job at the time, and so I wanted to make additional money, okay? Who doesn't want to make money? And so I started researching, okay, on Google ways to make money, okay? I found that you can make money with Uber, you can make money selling your plasma, you know, stuff like that, taking out garbage for people's houses, you know, basic stuff like that. And then I jumped into how to make money online, and that opened up my world because I figured out that you can make money from your house, okay? And that idea was amazing to me. And so I first found out about drop shipping, you know, Amazon FBA, Shopify, all that stuff back in like 2015. And it didn't make sense to me to do those because I didn't have a lot of money at the time. I didn't have startup costs, and most of those businesses you need to have at least $2,000 to start. You need a lot of money in advertising. And so with affiliate marketing, I figured out that you don't need such an upfront cost, okay? So technically you do not own the product. That way you don't have to spend so much on advertising and creating the product. And so affiliate marketing, the business model, it made sense, okay? And that's how I found out about affiliate marketing, okay? I was doing Google research and I found out that affiliate marketing was a proven way to make money, okay? And so I was doing my research, spending a lot of time on the computer. This did not happen overnight, guys. It took me a long time to find the right business model for me, okay? So it will take some time to figure out what niche you want to go into, okay? And so this led me to creating Amazon affiliate sites, okay? At the time, 2015, late 2015, early 2016, that was pretty much popular, creating niche sites. And so I learned how to do it on YouTube. So I started my WordPress blog, and let me tell you guys, it was tough, okay? It was tough figuring out WordPress, figuring out search engine optimization, figuring out how to install themes, how to create blog articles. You know, I had to work on my writing. You know, blog writing is totally different than the writing you're taught in school. And so I had to learn a bunch of skill sets, and that took a long time, okay, guys? And my first year with my Amazon site, I have the results here. I made less than $100. Here you can see a screenshot over here. I made $100, guys, and that was by doing a lot of blog articles and spending a lot of time on the computer writing, okay? I didn't outsource at all, and so I struggled a lot my first year in my affiliate marketing journey, okay? Fast forward a year after that, I was able to make $185, okay? And I was figuring out better ways to do this. Okay, I was using social media. I was promoting my links on social media, and I was kind of figuring out how to create a brand. Okay, how to create a brand behind the products you're selling. Okay, that way it's much easier to promote because you're seen as an authority, and that is what I did for the second year. Okay, I was doing a bunch of blog articles. I was learning SEO, building backlinks. Okay, and that took a while. And so fast forward to this year, my third year in affiliate marketing with Amazon affiliate sites. Okay, I'm able to make $500 just in this year, guys. Okay, and this road, okay, year by year by year, I had to learn a bunch of skill sets. Okay, I had to learn how to write. I had to learn search engine optimization. I had to learn social media marketing. Okay, and I had to learn branding. Okay, it's all a bunch of skill sets that the gurus definitely won't tell you guys. And you know, affiliate marketing works. Okay, it's proven right here with some of my results that you can make some serious money, but it will require a lot of upfront work, like figuring out what product, okay, the niche, okay, figuring out how you're going to promote it. Are you going to use paid traffic? Are you going to use organic traffic, search engine optimization? Are you going to do blogging? Okay, and that is pretty much how you make money with affiliate marketing, guys. It's that simple. Okay, it's creating value through videos, through blog articles, okay, through blogging, social media, sharing content on there. And basically you want to build a brand too. If you build a brand, you're better off coming out as an authority figure, and that way you can get more followers if you have a brand. Okay, and you're not just posting links like in your Facebook, like your personal profile. But yeah, that was my struggle with affiliate marketing, and I'm still learning to this day, guys. This is a never-ending journey. There's still new strategies. Okay, there's always new tactics. There's new methods to get more traffic to your site. And this is what gurus tell you. Okay, they tell you that affiliate marketing is easy. All you have to do is do one video, okay, and post your link here, or go on this website and buy a solo ad. Okay, you might not have success. It's all about testing. Okay, this is going to require a lot of patience, a lot of discipline behind the computer, and figuring things out on your own. Okay, but I highly recommend that you get started on your affiliate marketing journey. It's going to take some time, but you will definitely learn skills that you can keep with you throughout your whole life, and they will help you in your marketing career, whether you want to do affiliate marketing, or you want to go into drop shipping, or you want to do any other type of business model. These skills are very valuable. Okay, also, one more thing that I want to mention is don't be a dabbler. Okay, focus on one product, one niche, one affiliate site, one product. Don't jump around. You're going to get distracted, and that's going to keep you from having success. Okay, focus on that one product, build it, try to build a good passive income, and then you can move on to the next project. Okay, guys? So hopefully you liked my story and you learned a little bit more about affiliate marketing and what it actually takes to succeed with affiliate marketing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for listening to my story, and I will hope to see you in my next video.